All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Dilemma. Yeah. Dilemma. 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 A situation where you don't know what to do because the choices may impact the other or wider world. Yeah. So he is in a dilemma. Yeah. He does not know what to do now. Yeah, look at that dilemma. Yeah, what to do? She is stuck in a dilemma. Yeah. I am stuck in a dilemma. I can't do anything. Yeah. He was stuck in a strange dilemma last time. They are in a dilemma. Which one to do first on the list? Yeah. It is a strange dilemma to be in. Maybe they should. It's a strange dilemma to be in. Maybe they should try something new. Yeah. She. So she does not like to be stuck in dilemmas. She does not want trouble or issues. Yeah. Doesn't want dilemmas. Yeah. She carefree. She wants things to be carefree. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I have a dilemma. Go there or here? Go there or here? Here is my dilemma. Should I stay here or go there? Yeah. Yeah. That was a tough dilemma for him. Yeah, he had to think very carefully because that was a stressful dilemma. That was a stressful dilemma. Yeah. We're hoping to avoid a dilemma. So by avoiding the dilemma, we can make things easier for us. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? He might not know what to do if he has a dilemma. So sometimes people just don't know what to do in certain dilemmas. Yeah, it's just so some dilemmas are just so weird and unexpected that people are confused what to do. Confused what to do. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, dilemma. So he's stuck in a dilemma. He is stuck. He is stuck in a dilemma. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use dilemma in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the lesson channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.